Hello friends, welcome to Remy's World. Today I'm going to share a very easy and quick recipe on how to cook tuna fish. So here I've cut it into pieces and it's thoroughly washed, and I'm making a fine paste of masalas I'm going to apply on it. First I take turmeric, then red chili powder, and I'm going to add coriander powder next. And this is the ginger and garlic paste. I have taken around 8 to 10 garlic and a thumb size of ginger, and I grind and pasted it, and I add to it. So here I added the salt into that paste. So finally going to apply it on the tuna fish. Adding ginger and garlic to the fish has several health benefits also, apart from giving a very good taste. So here I have marinated the fish and I covered it with a thin sheet and refrigerated it for half an hour. Once it's cool, I take it out. So I'm doing all this in coconut oil. I'm going to fry this fish in coconut oil. So slowly, one by one, I'm putting all the marinated fish into this coconut oil. So I'm going to do shallow fry. Normally I like to do my fishes in normal oil. I don't take so much of oil. So yeah, with all those spices, and it's being cooked in coconut oil, so it's really good for our health. Plus it's really good and tasty. Kids just love it. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe to see more videos. Bye bye.